Happy Tuesday, boys and girls. Um, all right, let's talk about today. We have iReady Reading, complete one lesson in the green box on My Path. And then today, actually, you're going to start your Nearpod with math today. It's going to be a little bit more review and discussing about perimeter still. Some more little interactive questions and activities on Nearpod to help you learn about perimeter. So when you get to that lesson on Thursday, you can get a good grade, A plus, and know what perimeter is. All right, STEM Scopes is on Google Classroom today. Yesterday we worked on talking about what the question was asking you, what it was looking for, gave you some ideas. I also put that picture that we did together on Google Classroom for you to use, and then the question little handout page, whatever you want to call it, is also on Google Classroom for you to use. So use both of those together to get a good grade on your writing and science today. Studies Weekly is about 4th of July celebrations. Just a real quick little couple paragraphs, collect your coins, and go outside and go do some PE. Send me your pictures, your videos of you doing something outside. Louise sent me a picture last week. Coach is going to be so happy to see that. I saw him Monday morning, and he said he didn't get a lot of emails these last couple weeks of children doing PE things. It was kind of sad and disappointing to hear that. So send him some pictures. Tell him you're thinking about him. Social emotional this week is managing disappointment. You can watch the video here with your parents, and then you can go here to the handout and complete the activities, and then just go to Google Classroom and turn it in so I know you did it, and I'll give you 5 extra points towards your science grade. All right, important stuff to read. Oh, big announcement. A 3rd grader won the Walmart gift card for attendance. When you're here and you've marked yourself present, your name gets put into a drawing for a Walmart gift card. I'd love for one of you to win it, but you got to keep signing into Focus every single day to get your name in there. Click this little link right here, and Mr. Dugan will tell you who the winner is. And it was a 3rd grade winner, so go see who it is. Might be one of your friends. Parents, children, go get your parents. Tell them important information. Registration is now online. Here's the link to go register. If you're a magnet student, here's the link to go renew your magnet. This is important stuff, so we know who's going to be here next year, who's not. So make sure you get that done. All right, big old shout outs to our Cougars this week. Look at all these children who checked in every single day. They got their name entered into the Walmart gift card last week. It could be you. All you have to do is go to click on that button and Focus. I'm present. Bam, you're done. 100% this week. Jeremy, Zahara, Shavi, Luis, Ariana, Kevin, Rebecca, Felix, Caden, Sir Quentin, Kiana. I can't believe it. That's like 8, 9, 10, 11 of us out of 19. So only 8 of you were missing. 1 day or more last week. That is like completely awesome. I'm so proud of you guys. All right, completed. I had 3 people do 100% of all their work. My Path iReady lessons, My Path iReady math lessons, science, social studies, everything. Caden, Kevin, Sir Quentin. If you don't know what you're missing, go to Focus, and under each subject is a list of what you're supposed to do for the week and what were you missing. Go click on your grades. You have a blank there, you have an I, you have a 50, you have a 60, it means you didn't complete it. You can go back and finish it and complete it and get a better grade. All right, if you try, you're going to at least get a 70 on this stuff. So go try. All right, who completed their Nearpods? Caden, Jeremy, Iona, Luis, Sir Quentin, and Kevin. And I think I see their names up in here too, completing all their work, coming every day, working on their Nearpods. They're getting their work done. They're going to be so ready for fourth grade next year. It's going to be unreal. I'm going to zoom on through it. That's why we're doing this. Get you ready. And out of all of this, Caden is our Cougar of the Week. Kevin, Sir Quentin, and Caden getting their work done every week. All right, we got 2 more weeks left of school. I need a new Cougar of the Week. I would like to pick a new one, but if these are the only 3 that are going to get their work done, it's going to be a quick tie. So somebody new, let's work. Let's get all of our work done. You got a week left, this week, next week, and then grades are going to come out. All right, I will see you back here. Oh, one more thing. If you want to see all your assignments, they're right here. Registration and magnet renewal again. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you tomorrow. Get all your work done today. Get good grades. Take your time. A+s all the way through. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye-bye.